See, compare a program. This lesson is an example of an art festival to teach us the way in which one can host an event. Okay, so here the student of Balanand Vidyalay, okay, they arrange this program, okay, they arrange this event and have put together an art exhibition and cultural program that display their talents, including singing, playing instruments, dancing, acting, all included in the program. Okay, we see the entire show from the viewpoint of the person comparing it. Now see, here the chapter is also divided into categories that talk about the different stages of program. It includes getting started for the event, welcoming the dignitaries, then lighting the lamp on the special occasion, then introducing guests, giving opening speeches, starting the performance, and presenting prizes and awards. If any, letting the chief guest to speak on the occasion, and finally give a vote for the thanks. Okay, so these all it is which is including in this chapter. Okay, students. So first paragraph, okay, which is telling about the welcoming of all friends and their parents. Okay. So see here, there is a first paragraph which is telling us about the getting ready for the program. And this paragraph is telling about some instructions that we have to keep switch off our mobile, okay, or in or on silent mode. Okay. Then here, so students, see now second arrival of the dignitaries. Okay, so arrival of dignitaries. What is the meaning of dignitaries? Dignitaries means important or powerful person who usually hold a high rank or position and which we invite for attending the person. That is dignitaries. Okay, so see arrival of dignitaries and always we start welcome with the claps. Okay, so see here I am happy to announce that the dignitaries have arrived. I request you all to be seated. I request our head girls, Miss Shubhada Murarka, to escort the dignitaries to the dais. Okay, so see, dais means a raised platform in hall upon people seated. Means we can say it is a dais, then we can say stage. Okay, all the dignitaries sit there, so it is a platform for sitting there. It is a platform for which we arrange sitting, so that is the dais. Okay, so, here there is a head girl, that is Miss Shubhada Murarka. Okay, and she welcome that dignitaries and she accept them to the dais. Okay, so see here, first two paragraph is telling, first paragraph is telling the instruction, okay, which announcer is giving to the students, and second paragraph is arrival of the dignitaries. Okay, now see, third is the commencement of the program. Okay, so see there is the guest. Commencement means what? Start or beginning. Okay, so see honorable chief guest of today's see beginning of the program. Now honorable chief guest of today's function and artist of great renown, Shri Charudatta Diwan, president of Balanand Education Society, Shri Avdut Pathak, our principal Dr. Ajinkya Parakhi, vice principal Dr. Shaila Singh, all our invited guests, parents, teachers, and my dear friends. night, but also leaves way for 1,000 other lamps to be lit from its flame. Okay, means it's giving light to the other lamps also. Yes, likened to the lamp is knowledge. Knowledge to spread lights. It neither divides nor subtracts. It only adds and multiplies. Okay, so here she is giving that importance of the lamp, lighting the lamp, and after that she is calling to the Anaga and her group. Okay, now see next part is welcome and introduction of the guest. Okay, Atithi Deva Bhava. Before that, I want to ask you, do you have any school song and what does it tell you? Have you any school song? Have you any sing a school song? Some students from you, yes, or some girls from you, they sang a song for the school. Okay, so here also some students sing a song. Okay, means Anagha and her group sing a song for the school function. Okay, so students, if you have any song, then can you tell us here? Okay, in the last 10 minutes we will take this. Okay, now see, we will move further. Now next one is the welcome and introduction of the guest. Okay, so see, Atithi Deo Bhava. Okay, means guests are like a god. Okay, guests always like a god. Okay, so Atithi Deva Bhava. So see here, now she is welcoming and introducing the guest. Okay, our Indian culture regards guests as gods. Let us welcome and honor our distinguished guest. Okay, so see students, generally what happen when we arrange a program and after the lighting lamp, okay, we always welcome and we always introduce the guest. Okay, and we give them a bunch of flowers or bouquet or some flowers. Okay, and we call some students, okay, from our school or some teachers from our school, and they gave the flower, they gave the bouquet, and they just welcome them. Okay, so here also like that, welcome and introduction of the guest. Okay, our Indian culture regards the guest as a gods. Okay, let us welcome and honor our distinguished guest. Okay, it is indeed our proud privilege to have amidst us a very eminent personality from the field of art and culture, renowned artist, a painter of international repute, and proud recipient of many prestigious awards. President of Kala Ranjan Academy, Sri Charudatta Diwan. Now here, the compare is giving the introduction, full introduction of Sri Charudatta Diwan. Okay, so see here, that is she is telling that she is very pleased that the personality of famous, the eminent means famous personality from the field of art and culture. Okay, they got them, and the renowned artist, a painter of international repute and proud recipient of many prestigious awards, president of Kala Ranjan Academy. Okay, so this is all introduction about this about Charudatta Diwan. Okay, now she is requesting to the principal to welcome Charudatta Diwan by offering a token of our love and appreciation. Okay, so see here what they gave, that books, 2 volumes of cherished live of great artist. We are offering books because flowers might perish, but books can uh, stay forever. Okay, so by giving the books, they welcome that guest. Okay, so it is this lesson is an idea how perform a program. Okay, how be a program, how host a program. So this is all about the idea how can host the program. You know that some students, some children host the program. Okay, so like that, this is an idea how to be host. Okay, so see here, offering a book, they just welcome the guest. Now see here Yes, yes, here compare request to the principal to welcome the Charudatta Diwan, and yes, principal told thank you. Sorry, Charudatta told thank you, sir. Okay, now see, after that, compare told that now she is requesting to the convener of this art festival, our art teacher, respected Miss Shilpa, uh, yes, Sanghani, to welcome the beacon of our institution. What is the meaning of beacon? Here the beacon means the source of inspiration. Okay, means yes, Miss Shilpa inspire them for arrange that art festival. So inspiration, a source of inspiration means beacon. What is the meaning of beacon? That is source of inspiration. So here compare now, invite to the Miss, yes, Miss Shilpa. Miss Shilpa, okay, and the president of Balanand Academy, Mr. Avdut Pathak. Now, she requested to school captain and cultural in charge, Miss Shubhada Murarka, to welcome our ever inspiring dynamic principal, Dr. Ajinkya Parakhi. Our enthusiastic vice principal, welcome by Mrs. Anagha Bhatia. Thank you, dear Anagha. Okay, so see here. Yes, this paragraph is telling. Yes, this paragraph is telling about the welcome of all guests by giving books. Okay, so first here compare call to the Charudatta Diwan. Okay, after that art teacher, and after that principal ma'am, and at last to the vice principal ma'am. Okay, so they all thank you to the students for welcoming them and on this occasion they didn't distribute flowers, they gave the books. Okay, why they give the books? Because books, yes, because they offer the books, because flowers might perish, but books can stay forever with us. That's why they distribute the book. Okay, they gave the books and welcome everyone. Now see, next one is the introductory speech. Okay, to appraise with to appraise you about the art festival, I request the principal, respected Dr. Ajinkya Parakhi, to deliver his introductory speech. Okay, so now time is of the introductory speech. Now book release. Okay, so friends, we have prepared here a volume comprising photographs of all the beautiful and unique pieces of art which are displayed today in the auditorium. They are the artistic and skillful contribution from our students. I requested the chief guest to release this special book on this occasion and formally inaugurate the art festival. Thank you, sir. And I know this has aroused curiosity in you to see the exhibition after this program. You can take that pleasure. So here students, yes, principal gave a introductory speech. Okay, why they call the guest here? Okay, what they arrange? Okay, so their students arrange a art festival. Okay, they arrange a and that auditorium was full of it was full of photographs. Okay, and all the beautiful photographs and unique pieces of the art which are displayed in the auditorium. Okay, now here now it's the time of the cultural program. So see here, cultural program, what students arrange for them. Okay, so see, after it's the time of the cultural program that I know you all are eagerly waiting to listen to the gems of music from our schools. We now invited the talented band of musicians to display their talent. We proudly present the Tal Kacheri. Okay, Sahil of standards 10th A will give a vocal rendition, and the same piece will be demonstrated on different instrument. Let us enjoy the Tal Kacheri. Okay, so see here. See, imagine a program of our school also. Okay, first there is a first we welcome the guest, we welcome the uh, dignitaries, then we start the program with lighting the lamp. After that we welcome and introduce the guest. Okay, and we welcome them with the flowers, or here students welcome them with the books. It's a nice idea to give the book. Okay, now see, after that principal of the school gave the introductory speech. Okay, why they arranged the program, and after that our eagerly program is started, that is the cultural program. And always we like the program, yes or no students? Always cultural program is our best program in all the parts of the program. Okay, so see here, now cultural program, which cultural program they arrange? That Tal Kacheri. Okay, so here what is the meaning of Tal Kacheri? Can you yes, can you explain here? Can you tell here what is the meaning of Tal Kacheri? Have you any idea? See students, what is the meaning of Tal Kacheri? Okay, the Tal Kacheri is a kind of music concert using percussion instruments such as dholak, then mridangam, or and tabla. Okay, so here some students like Varsha and Varsha. Yes, Varsha, she seated. Varsha, she seated on Mridangam. Vivek seated on Dholak. Zubin seated on Tabla, and Govind on Ghatam. Okay, so students, okay, they seated, they taking part, they taking part, they showing their talent by using some different uh, yes, musical instrument. Okay, so see here, who is taking part in the Tal Kacheri? A talented band of musicians, namely Varsha on Mrudangam, Vivek on Dholak, Zubin on Tabla, and Govind on Ghatam are taking part in the Tal Kacheri. Okay, so see, let us have a big round of applause for the excellent demonstration, and they gave their 100% in the cultural program. So different states display their unique identity through their respective culture. Standard 7C will now give a beautiful presentation of the famous Koli dance from Maharashtra. Okay, so now she means here compare start a different cultural program. First, Tal Kacheri, okay, which is presented by standard 10th student. Now standard 7th C students is coming with the program with the dance, that is Koli dance. Okay, now see what a wonderful presentation. After the program, she told that. Now see, now a light comedy play will be presented by standard 9th C. I would like to request standard 9th artist to perform their play Boy Comes Home by A.A. Milne. Okay, so here after the Koli dance, there was a comedy program. Okay, and what was the name of that comedy program? The boy comes home. Okay, so see, one by one, she's means here compare announcing the program. Okay, she's calling some she is calling the performance on after that Koli dance, and after that a light comedy show, and that was indeed a fantastic performance. Okay, all the performances very fantastic. Now see prize distribution. Okay, so see some students who will take the prize. Okay, they will happy, they will eagerly waiting for the program. Okay, you are all eagerly waiting for the prize distribution. They are butterflies in your stomach. Okay, so those students who is going to take the prize. Okay, there are means always there are butterflies in their stomach. Okay, so you soon be relieved on your anxiety. Everyone is unique in his or her potential. All are talented, yes, but some do perform better and their talent needs to be appreciated. I would now invite chief guest to declare the prize winners and mm, give away the prizes for the different categories of art. Thank you, sir. Now there is a now she called for means compare here call for the prize distribution. Now after that address by the chief guest means at last who come means who is the guest of the program, they always address us. So here in that address they gave already us a small speech. Okay, now next one is a vote for thank. Okay, and before we draw the curtain, I take the opportunity to thank you to those who have lent a helping hand to make this art festival meaningful. And for the formal vote of thanks, I invite the convener of this program of art teacher Mrs. Shilpa Shanghani. Okay, so see that is the vote of thanks means all the students gave thanks to the art teacher. Okay, so see it is a basic idea how to arrange a program, how to compare program, how to host program. Okay, if you got any chance to compare to be a compare of program, to be a host of program, then it is a good idea how to be right. Okay, so see here now you will get an idea from this lesson how to write for becoming a compare a host for the program. Okay, so for sorry for inconvenience to